What's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Are you trying to build up business credit? You don't know where to start. You may be already established or new, but you're getting denied. You can't get these approvals. Those are actual real cards right there. These are real cards as well. I have well over 120 different business credit cards, business lines of credit, and I was able to obtain those with a fairly new LLC that I formed when I started this YouTube channel, just to kind of use as a exercise to prove to everybody that you don't need to go after some of these nonsense starter vendors. There is certain steps that you need to follow. The reason why you're getting denials is not so much you don't have enough business credit trade lines. A majority of the time, it's because you don't have the right business credit trade lines. A lot of these starter vendors that certain YouTubers are pushing all the time and telling you get the 80 paydex score, that's all baloney. It's nonsense. A lot of those starter vendors don't help you whatsoever. They just take your money and don't do anything for you at all. They don't report even to the right business credit bureaus that actually pull for financial decisions. So the ones that some of the starter vendors are reporting to, they don't really help you, because if you're trying to get actual financial trade lines like credit cards, lines of credit, charge cards, 90% of the time, the underwriters are going to be pulling Experian Business Credit. And more times than not, I see with my viewers and my mentorship students, when they hire me, 8 out of 10 students of mine typically have things on their Experian Business Credit Report that they already saw, but they didn't think it's a big deal, or they overlooked things, or they just skipped right by it. They don't even know, because it's not really taught out there anywhere on YouTube. There is no other YouTube channel that just focuses just on business credit and gets into the detail and depth that I do when it comes to business credit reports. That's also why I'm endorsed by Experian Business Credit, because I fully understand. I've been studying this all for well over 15 years now. And just all these business credit lines and credit cards that I got, yes, some are PG. So having good personal credit does help. If you don't have good personal credit, that doesn't mean you can't get no personal guaranteed business credit lines. Now, can you get like millions like I got, well over 2 million? No, not with a 500 FICO score. But I've had students in the past that joined my one-on-one business credit mentorship that, had, like I say, a 580 or a 600 FICO score, fairly new business, or even a brand new business. And we were able to help them get dozens of credit lines, actual ones that you can use, not just vendor credit, not starter vendors, because with my one-on-one business credit mentorship, I'm going to show you guys here on the screen, my dashboard. I have you go after real business credit lines. These aren't going to be ones that do hard pulls. If they are going to do a hard pull, it's going to be towards the end of the mentorship, and I'm going to let you know that they're going to do a hard pull. But I'm not even going to tell you to apply for certain ones if I feel that you don't have a strong chances for approval. Because keep in mind, if you prematurely apply for certain credit lines, say Capital on Tap, for instance, if you get denied for that one, you have to wait 180 days before you can reapply. So that's why my one-on-one business credit mentorship is really meant for those that don't want to make mistakes or already made mistakes. It doesn't matter if you're a brand new business or you're already established, even if you already have several trade lines. Some of my students, they've been in business 5-10 years and they already have solid business credit trade lines, several business credit cards. Their business credit reports are pretty thick, but they joined my one-on-one business credit mentorship to do strategic business credit lines. So I'm going to set you up for success. We're going to jump over to my portal. So just to let you guys know, my one-on-one business credit mentorship right now is 30% off the normal price. So if you called in or reached out to me before and either the pricing was too expensive, you weren't able to qualify, or the spots might have been booked up at that time, because I'm only able to take on so many students at one time, I would definitely encourage you to go ahead and text me that you're interested in 937-423-9954, because my new program that I just set up within the last week allows me to be able to take on more students, just because I've kind of streamlined everything into a one-on-one business credit client portal that saves both me and you a lot of time each week. And I have you apply for each business credit line and different tasks that I have you do. It really does save a lot of time, not having to go through all these emails and go back and forth through texts and phone calls. really does save a lot. So I'm able to give you a lower discount, a substantial discount actually. So I encourage you to go ahead and text me 937-423-9954 to find out the new pricing. But anyways, let's jump over to the dashboard real quick. So after you sign up, you're going to get your own username and password that will be emailed to you. This is custom dashboard. So after you log in, it's going to take you to this page. And this is just the simple basic intake information that I need to know because I'm going to do a full business credit audit on all your business credit reports and look for any of those mistakes, the crucial mistakes that could be costing you approvals or denials or low starting limits. So if there's any problems there, we get those addressed. After that's done, I start assigning tasks to you. You'll see here on the side is chat with Josh. So you can just chat with me here. You can also chat with me on the phone and text as well. But like to keep everything here in the portal so you can just type any questions you have there. But then I'm going to assign you tasks in between 4 to 10 tasks every week. So you can see here Best Buy business credit card, Wayfair. So when you click on the task, it's going to show you who it's underwritten through, and I'm going to give you detailed instructions on how to apply for it. And then you're going to hit approved or not approved or pending. Once that's done, then you're going to mark it as done. At the top, it will have a little button that says mark done, and then that's going to be sent to me for me to review. So these are just kind of examples. Each task is custom based on your particular business credit goals and your profile and your situation. So every week I'm going to assign these different tasks for you to do. And by the end of the mentorship, say 4 weeks or 6 weeks or 12 weeks, whatever plan that you signed up for, I guarantee you're going to be satisfied at the end of the day. I have all the data points because I'm able to compile my own personal experiences throughout the years and over 60, 70 mentor student clients results and data for the last 3 years or so. So I'm kind of able to see things that other people can't really see, with certain underwriters. So you can just here's another one. This one is just one saying, open up this business savings account because they're going to be opening up a business line of credit fairly soon because a lot of these fintechs are offering waiting list and new business finance products. And then they only offer those to their current clientele. And some of these ones that I'm going to be putting in there are only on my tasks. You can see I go through great detail explaining exactly what to do, how to fill out the application and everything. I don't want to leave the information up here too long because some of this stuff is correct. This is a sample profile, but correct information that I give out to my students. Just like this, this is a free tidbit. Google local business profile. Does it have something to do with business credit? Yes, it does. You might not think it does, but there's several underwriters such as Synchrony. They do manual review. Say unable to verify a business. If that's the reason you got denied, it could be because of this. So we're going to go over all the things that you don't think that may be important or vital. We're going to fix those, address those. It's A to Z covered on everything. So anyways, I'm going to help you succeed, help you achieve the business credit lines and credit cards. So I'll be able to help you increase your chances for approval. So anyways, if you want to get on the phone and have a free consultation, just text me 937-423-9954. It is my personal cell phone number. So just text me mentorship and that you're interested. And I'll text you right back anytime, day or night. Like I said, it is 30% off my normal pricing, substantial savings, but it's only for this week only or until the spots get filled. Anyways, you guys take care. Stay tuned for some new videos because I actually have 4 new videos dropping this week. So next time you guys take care of give the video a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.